Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Today is Sunday, the 13th day of July 2025. I saw the confession of Garba Shehu, and that is why I titled this video Garba Shehu versus Nnamdi Kanu. Garba Shehu, for those of you who don't know him, is a spokesperson to one time the president of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari. Garba Shehu confessed that they used cats invading Aso Rock to cut away money and documents to distract Nigerians from the reality of Buhari's ill-health in London. And this is the same Garba Shehu who went to German television to say that what Nnamdi Kanu was saying about Buhari being very sick on that particular date was false. Now, in this video, I am going to look into three angles where Nigerians are being deceived. And Nigerians love it like that. They love to be deceived. They love to be lied to. They love to, to be ridiculed and ruled by criminals and fraudsters. Now, if it is a normal country, a sensible country, a country that is not a failed state, Garba Shehu should be behind the bar or facing a firing squad. Yeah. He said he deceived the whole nation, the cabal under Buhari, deceived the whole nation by introducing cat story that rat invaded Aso Rock to cut away money and some documents. And many Nigerians spent 2 good months, talking about rats. Aye! Nigerians spent 2 good months talking about rats. Why someone, they said is their leader, is their president, is between death and life in London. After how many years now, the spokesperson is coming out to confess. One thing with Nigeria issue is that they don't react, they don't understand, they don't know the danger of all these things, the danger of all the silence they are keeping towards all these things. All these things matters a lot. They hid the ill health of your president from you. He was dying. Someone came out to say that on Radio Biafra. They said what the man was saying was rubbish. That was when they started even picking interest on Nnamdi Kanu. You understand? Now, I want to use this opportunity to also remind you that there are so many ways these people are distracting Nigerians from the reality of the ground. For example, if there is something that Tinubu want to do today, for example, maybe Tinubu want to increase the fuel price, you know what they are going to do? They will look for a strategy to distract Nigerians first. They can even tell 2 celebrities to start quarreling. The 2 celebrities will start quarreling. There is no beef. They plan it, audio quarreling, fake quarreling. Then the whole Nigeria will start talking about it. Before you finish talking about it, the government will finish the evil they are doing. This is a normal strategy they use in Nigeria because their citizens seems to be gullible ones. They don't even ask questions. They don't understand everything. But if they see you are standing against their dictators, they will come against you. It is the same Nigerians that were, challenging Nnamdi Kanu then. How dare you say Buhari is sick? Garba Shehu even said that Buhari traveled for vacation. At the early stage of Buhari's sickness, just imagine, this does not happen anywhere in the world. And that is the reason why when you go to the passport index in Africa, you see that Nigeria is the 5th lowest passport in Africa. So when you check the passport that don't have value, Nigeria is number 5. Imagine Niger Republic, Cameroon, Benin Republic. These passports, is above Nigeria passport. It's more valuable. You can travel to many destinations than the Nigerian passport. You think the world is not taking note of all these things. They know that Nigeria is being ruled by criminals. They are being ruled by gangs of cabals who are evil. So because of this, I am seeing that Nigerians have been psycho-conditioned to believing that this is the way of life. I made a video that was last year, and I was talking about most Nigerians don't know what it means to be a citizen of a country. You hear me right. Most Nigerians don't know what it means to be a citizen of a country. If many Nigerians understand the meaning of citizenship, that day there will be a bloody revolution in Nigeria. Most Nigerians die in the hospital because they don't have money to pay for hospital bill in your own country, and you say you are a citizen. No, that is not a citizen. You are a slave. Most Nigerians don't know that the deformity of roads, like potholes on the road and all those things, that if your vehicle spoiled on the road, that it is the duty of government to repair it. I mean, if the potholes spoiled your vehicle, or you are trapped in the modded road that is not good, it is the duty of government to compensate you through insurance. But you don't know. The victims of insecurity, it is the duty of government that will compensate them. You have a bunch of lawyers and sons in Nigeria. What are they doing? Bunch of, I don't want to use some words, but I want you to understand something. You are sleeping, someone came and they abducted you. It is the duty of government to release you, not the duty of your family to start selling family lands. So, as I'm telling you now, there are so many ways to distract you. If they want you to forget about your hardship, they want you to forget about Benue killing, they brought out another thing. They brought out the issue of, what is it called? The issue of Tinubu's classmates. You know, they just threw that one into the air. It trended. They use it to suppress the Benue killing a little bit. Before you know, the people that have even died before in Nigeria, they will ask anybody, oh, bring out the story. We are facing tension now, so that Nigeria will divert their attention. These are the strategies they are still using up to today, but people don't know. If they show you what is in this Nigeria, you will cry. This is the situation people are facing. It is terrible. Now, apart from this strategy of distracting Nigerians with stories, quarreling, or stories of jump office, snake enter jump office, cat enter Aso Rock, this one do this, monkey swallow morning, snake swallow morning. Apart from all these strategies, they also understand that what Nigerians fear most is death. Whereas Nigeria is #1 country that is dying in the whole Africa. You are dying most. Nigerians are the ones that are dying most in the whole Africa. Still, what Nigerians fear most is the same death that they are dying. The government understands that very well. That is why if someone is now talking against the government, what they are going to do is that they will look for a way to make sure that they will threaten the person, arrest him, charge him for treason. The other people who are following him will just withdraw. Nigerians are not ready to die. And you say you want to change things. You say you can change your nation. You can change a lot of things. It's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. You can't change anything if you are not ready to face the reality. Do you know? Let me give you an example. Do you know how many innocent IPOB members died because they are just protesting? They don't know gun. They have never seen gun. They have never caused trouble. They never fought with anyone because they are just trekking on the road. Operation Python dance, the soldiers, they made them to drink mud water. Do you know the reason why? Because someone they see as their leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is revealing the truth about the situation of Nigeria then. About the situation of Nigeria. Garba Shehu is now saying it. That Nnamdi Kanu was right. That Buhari was, very sick, and they have to use a, rat story to distract Nigerians. Then ask yourself this question: which story are they using to distract you today? Because Nigerians never cease to amaze me. They are still distracting you with a lot of things today. What are they using to distract you? Look around you, think about it. Thousands of people are dying every month in Nigeria. But nobody's talking about it. You think it's ordinary? They are using defection, coalition, 2027 election to distract you. They are distracting you. When the 2027 comes, you people will see the reality. Any Nigeria who is thinking that 2027 is going to be a turning point, a year that will change, you don't know Nigeria, and you are not ready to be free from slavery. You are not ready to be free from suffering, because no political regime change that will change this country. Who is going to? Are they not the same? Are they not the same? If you think there is any saint among them, how can that saint win an election without the criminals among them? They can't. You think it's only president that rules the country? Ministers, chief of defense, all of them. Or you think that all this insecurity situation, that it is the will of Tinubu to allow it to happen? Nigeria is a subject, it's a course that people are supposed to study. Because Nigeria has a system, and it's only people who were able to study Nigeria understands where the country is heading to. Nigeria is mapped out for destruction. This is a long-term plan, and that is why people are not seeing it as something serious. They are not seeing it as something that is going to happen now, because they are saying that it seems this thing is not serious, this thing is not serious, but simultaneously, these people are advancing. Anyway, Nnamdi Kanu has always been right. It might take years, but the truth will reveal, just like what IBB wrote in his book, revealing so many things. So there are a lot of things so many people in Nigeria don't know yet, but time will come, it will be revealed one after the other. Thanks for joining me in this video. I am Okocha Happy myself, talking reality out of issues.